In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change the background in Google Slides. It's a simple process, but it can really enhance the look and feel of your presentations, making them more engaging and visually appealing. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to give your slides a personalized touch with ease. First, head over to Google Slides. You can find it by typing Google Slides into your browser search bar or by going directly to the URL if you have it saved. Once you're there, sign into your Google account. This step is important because it gives you access to all your saved presentations and ensures your changes are automatically saved to the cloud. Once you're signed in, you'll land on the Google Slides homepage. From here, you can either start a new presentation or open an existing one. If you're starting fresh, click on Blank Presentation or select a template if you want to add some pre-designed flair. Navigate to the slide where you want to change the background and click on it to make it active. Next, look at the toolbar at the top of the page. You'll see various customization options. Find and click on background. It might be slightly hidden, so keep an eye out. Clicking this opens a pop-up menu with several choices. You can opt for a simple color fill for a clean, professional look, or select image if you want something more dynamic, like a photo or graphic. If you choose an image, you can upload one from your computer or search for one directly through Google. Make sure the image matches the tone of your presentation. Consider using subtle textures or gradients to make your slides visually interesting without distracting from the text. You can also layer images behind shapes or text boxes for added depth. After selecting your background, click Done to save your changes. And don't worry, if it doesn't feel right, you can always go back and modify it. Experimenting with different backgrounds is a great way to find the perfect visual setting for your content. Changing the background in Google Slides is a quick and effective way to enhance your presentation. Whether you're going for a subtle color shift or a vibrant graphic, a well-chosen background can make all the difference. Remember to keep your text readable by choosing backgrounds with enough contrast. Using consistent backgrounds across slides can also help create a polished and professional look. Thanks for watching and happy presenting.